Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make this cushion. Now it's not my design idea, I saw it on Joann's, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I've created the pattern and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. It's a free download, just click on the link below. What I've done with the doors, I've put some crinkly fabric inside, and what I used for the crinkly fabric which is basically the lining of a cereal box. But you need scraps of fabric for the window pictures, whatever you have lying around. I did buy most of this fabric from Joann and from their collection that they actually showed the cushion from. There are a couple of my own. This one I absolutely love. It's glow in the dark, and so is these little ghosts, they glow in the dark. First of all, we need to print out the pattern. You'll find a link down below in the description box. And print out the pattern on letter, US letter. I don't have any other size available, sorry. You're going to need a pair of paper scissors and some tape. Now the way I've done the pattern, each page is numbered and there's a guide line down each side. So you will overlap the pattern of the guides and then just tape. See this line here and this line, just line it up. It's basically a ½ inch overlap. There's no need to put a piece of tape up there because I'm cutting out along the black lines. And just keep going all the pages. I just really tape where the pattern is, not where it's scrap paper. Okay, now the pattern is 5 pages wide. So it's 5 pages wide, then we need to go back to the first page, add page 6 which goes underneath, and these ones you just line up on this side here. And as you can see, we're starting to build. Now we're going to cut out just along the outside edge of all the pieces. We're not going to cut out the placements that we have on the front and the roofs. We are not cutting out these at all, we're just cutting the outside edge.